Setting up security and login alerts in Stripe is a straightforward process that helps you keep your business accounts safe. While Stripe does not have a single dedicated button for login alerts, you can easily turn on email, text, or push notifications for suspicious logins and critical account changes directly through your dashboard preferences. Let's get this configured for your account right now. First, open your web browser. Go to the Stripe website and log in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard screen, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the bell icon. A small drop-down menu will appear immediately. From that menu, click on the option that says View Preferences. This action takes you straight to the Communication Preferences page, which defaults to the Account tab. On this screen, you will see a clean layout with columns for email, text, and push notifications. Scroll down to the section labeled Account Risk and Compliance. Here, you will find options for various security-related events. To protect your account from unauthorized access, you need to check the boxes next to Security-Related Alerts and Unusual Activity on your account. Now, the important thing to keep in mind is that these preferences are specific to you. Stripe handles team security individually, so each team member must log into their own account and configure these notification settings for themselves. If you want to receive these alerts on your phone while you are on the go, you will need to open the Stripe Dashboard app on your mobile device. Tap your merchant icon in the app, navigate to Global Settings, and then select Notification Settings to enable mobile push alerts. Back on the desktop dashboard, your changes are automatically saved as you check the boxes, but it is always a good practice to verify your screen before closing the tab. By setting these toggles, you ensure that you receive an instant heads-up whenever there is an unexpected change or an unrecognized login attempt on your dashboard.